Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will learn to print all prime palindrome numbers present between 10 and 500 and how to write a separate function to check for prime and a function to check for palindrome and a main method to call the functions and the output also. So let us start the video. Define a class prime PAL to print all prime palindrome numbers present between 10 and 500. Define separate method to check for prime and palindrome. Method main to call function. This is the question. And this is the program which is already I have done for to check a number prime palindrome or not. This is the program to check a number prime palindrome. In this program, I have taken a number A and pass this number, value of this number to prime function and also to palindrome function. If this is prime and this is palindrome, then I have printed here that is prime palindrome number. Okay, there are two functions. One is prime to check a number prime or not. Another one is palindrome to find the palindrome of the number, to find the reverse of the number. This function find the reverse of the number, and this function find the return k. Return k means number of factor. It return number of factor. It returns the reverse of the number. Okay. Now, to question is here, define a class prime pal to print all prime palindrome numbers present between 10 and 500. Between 10 and 500. So, there is no need to enter a number. So, delete this one, import. There is no need of import function. Then, between 10 to 500 is given, range is given. So, scanner class, enter number, the three lines is not required. So remove this one. Now in main method only write for loop for for int a equal to, this is your 10 to 500 range. What is range? 10 to 500. For a equal to 10 semicolon a less than equal to 500 semicolon a plus plus, then curly bracket start. This is object creation before the for loop. Create object before the for loop. So control this one, control X, cut this one and paste here. Control V, paste here. Now in for loop, we have to take, see, in for loop, this is int x equal to ob dot prime a, int y equal to ob dot palindrome a. That means value of 10. First value of 10 will pass to the prime function and value of 10 will pass to the palindrome function. Okay. Then value of 11, then value of 12 till value of 500. All numbers from 10 to 500 will go to the prime function and to the palindrome function. Okay. X equal to ob dot prime a, y equal to ob dot prime. Now x equal to ob dot prime a means value of a, that means 10. 10 will pass to your prime function. It will check the number, it will find the number of factors, and return k means it return number of factors. And here the value of 10 will pass to the palindrome function. It will find the reverse of the number. Now x is your k, that is number of factor, y is the reverse of the number. If number of factor equal to 2 and reverse number and original number are equal, then this is your palindrome. So write here, print the a only, not, you have to print here only a. Okay, else part, there is no else part, only you have to print the prime numbers, no else part. System.println a, so it will print the prime numbers. We can write here system.out.println before for loop. Before for loop, I can write system.out.println prime numbers between in capital prime numbers between prime numbers between 10 to 500. 10 to 500. Double quote close, common bracket close, semicolon. So there is a heading this one. Prime number between 10 to 500 is heading. Read it. This much only. Compile. Is there any error? Compile. Yes, there is an error. What is error? Here this is your main function. Can you say what is the error? Error is here see object. This is function class name. Class name is prime palindrome is given, but now class name is prime pal. You see class name is prime pal. So you have to change this one prime pal. So this is the error. Prime underscore pal. This is small case pal. Now this is also prime pal underscore pal. Now compile. There is an error that is for loop. For loop here is open and here this is main method closed and class closed, but for loop is not closed. So you have to close here for loop closed. Then compile, no syntax error. Then come to the output. Now this is the output. Prime palindrome numbers between 10 to 500 are 11, 101, 131, 151, 181, 191, 313, 353, 373 and 383. All these are prime palindrome numbers. These are prime and also palindrome.